Hello, Parang High School. Hello, grading learners. It's me, Teacher Randall, and welcome for today's video tutorial. Today, we are going to have another lesson which we'll be discussing for the third reading period of Mathematics Grade 9. And this module is entitled Illustrating Similar Figures. So, let us have first the objectives that we must meet at the end of this video lesson. First, we have define and illustrate similar figures. Second, differentiate similar figures and congruent figures. Third, solve for the missing values with the sides and angles using the properties of similar figures. And lastly, use ratio and proportion to determine if two figures are similar or not. So without further ado, let us begin the discussion. At this juncture, we must know how to differentiate similar polygon from congruent polygon. So let us have the definition of these two as we have this presentation. Congruent polygon tells us that in order to be congruent, two figures must have the same shape and the same size. On the other hand, we have similar polygon. Similar polygon tells us that we must have the same shape, regardless of the different in sizes, but the same shape matters, and that is the similar polygon. On the next slide, we are going to discuss what is similar figures or what is similar polygon. So let us have the definition of this. What are similar figures? Similar figures have two main properties or characteristics. And what are these? The first one is corresponding angles must be congruent, and the second one is corresponding side length must be proportional. Please take note of the word congruent and proportional. Angles must be congruent and the side length must be proportional. To better understand these two properties, let us have this given figure. Quadrilateral ABCD is being compared with the quadrilateral EFGH. So I have here these three things that we must name with regards to these given properties. The first one is the corresponding angle. Next is the corresponding side. And the last, and certainly not the least, is we should name what is the similarity statement of these two given figures. First, we have angle A. Angle A is congruent with angle E. These are the corresponding angles with regards to this figure. And we have 4. That is the first one. The second one is angle B. That is congruent with angle F. Third, angle C is congruent with angle G. And last, angle D is congruent with angle H. On the other hand, we have corresponding side. We have the side AB that is a proportional. Take note, proportional to the side EF. BC is proportional to FG. That is equal to CD proportional to GH. That is equal to DA proportional to HE. And also, we must know how to write the similarity statement. The similarity statement for this figure is ABCD is similar to EFGH. Kindly take a look of the symbol for similarity. Next. Okay, on this slide, I will be presenting to you two sets of figures or two sets of polygon. Could you please pause this video for a while and think of an answer. Which pair of this figure, pair number 1 or pair number 2, are similar to each other? Pause the video and comment down your answers right now. Alright, well done. Another example is this. Let us assume that there is a quadrilateral DEFG that is being compared with a quadrilateral HJKL. Let us have this given. What are the pairs of congruent angle? Could you please pause this video and comment down what are the pairs of congruent angle? And the next thing is, what is the extended proportion for the ratios of this length of the corresponding sides? What are the side length that are proportional in this figure? Could you please comment your answers in our chat box right now? Alright, on the next thing that we are going to have is the scale factor. Scale factor is the ratio of corresponding linear measurement of two similar figures. So for example, I have here triangle ABC and the triangle XYZ. As we write the given proportional side, we will be having this representation. The ratio of corresponding sides are the following. 15 is proportional to 6, 20 is proportional to 8, and 25 is proportional to 10. We all know that these ratios can be reduced in its simplest form by finding its greatest common factor. What is the greatest common factor of 15 and 6? What? That is 3. Very good. And we are going to divide both by 3. 15 divided by 6, that will be 5 over 2. On the other one, we have 20 over 8. What is the greatest common factor of 20 and 8? Could you please share us what is the greatest common factor of 20 over 8? That is 4. So we have to divide 20 and 8 by 4. So that is also 5 over 2. And of course, the greatest common factor of 25 over 10 is 5. So we must know how to figure out what are the different greatest common factor of each ratio and to divide this by GCM for us to get the scale factor. And the scale factor of triangle ABC that is similar to triangle XYZ is 5 over 2 or simply 5:2. To better understand this given concept, let us have an example number 1. You can find the missing length of a side in a pair of similar polygon by using the concept of proportion. So let us have the similarity statement, that is triangle RST is similar to triangle UVW, wherein missing side of this given is the side RS. The side RS is missing. So, for us to get the value of RS, we must write the proportional side. And let us have this. UB is proportional to RS. That is equal to BW proportional to ST. Kindly take a note of where do I start with regards to writing the proportional side. UV over RS, that is equal to BW over ST. After writing the proportional side, let us have the substitution. What is the value of UV? UV is equal to 6. What is the value of RS? RS is unknown. That is X. That is equal to VW. VW is equal to 7 and ST is equal to 35. By using the cross product property or cross multiplication, we have to get the value of X, and this will be the length of RS. So we have 7 times X, that is equal to 6 times 35, and 6 times 35 is equal to, and that product will be divided into 7. So divide both sides by 7, that will be X is equal to 30 feet. Okay? That is how we deal with missing values of the side or angles of a given using the similar polygon. Next, let us have example number 2. For example number 2, we have to determine the missing sides of a given triangle. Grade 9 learners, kindly take a look at these two given figures. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, wherein there are two missing sides that are unknown. They do not have a value. Side XY and the side YZ. For us to get the value of these two sides, we must use the concept of similar figures. So to start, let us first have the similar or the proportional side of the corresponding side length of these two given figures. And this will be AB proportional to xy, that is equal to BC, that is proportional to YC, and side AC proportional to XC. For this given, I want you to find the value of XY and YZ. What you need to do at this moment is to pause this video for a while and think of an answer. How are we going to find the value of XY and YZ? Pause this video right now. Alright, the value of XY is 13 inches. How do we get the value of XY? First is to write the proportional side. After writing the proportional side, what we did is to substitute the given. After substituting the given, that is 39 over xy, that is equal to 33 over yz, that is equal to 24 over 8. We are going to use two ratios, which is 39 over xy and 24 over 8. Since xy is being asked to find the value. So using the cross product property, we have 24 xy, that is equal to 39 times 8. And 39 times 8, that is equal to 312. For us to eradicate, for us to remove 24 from xy, 24xy will be divided both sides by 24. So divide both sides by 24, we can cancel out 24 and 24. xy will be equal to 312 divided by 24, which is equal to 13 inches. Can you follow? Kindly thumbs up na dyan. Paki-thumbs up na kung naintindihan. Okay, so for the next thing, let us find the value of yz. Could you please do it and comment down your answer? What is the value of yz? Post this video and comment down the value of yz. Okay, the value of yz is 11 inches. Alright, who got it correctly? Kindly press the raise hand button. Taas nga kamay. Alright. Congratulations. So that will be the task that you have to do with regards to similar figure. So what you need to do, alright, so what you need to do at this last part of the video lesson is to screenshot this problem and have your solution on your own. Once you're done with your solution, kindly take a look, screenshot, and capture this together with the solution and send it to the messenger of your teacher. So let us read. In the diagram, the triangle TPR is similar to triangle XPZ. You have to find the height or the altitude PS and show your solution with the complete solution and capture it together with the solution and final answer and send it to the messenger of your teacher. Alright? That will be the task that you have to do for this video lesson. Alright, so that will be the end of the video lesson that we have for today. I hope that you learned something. So right now, I will be asking you to continue answering the module number 6 and look for the weekly home learning plan for what are the things that you have to submit at the end of the week. Alright, goodbye and thank you. See you again on the next video. Bye!